Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna talking about what are HTML divs and how we can use it. So at first we understand what are divs in HTML. So divs are nothing but they are a container that holds CSS and JavaScript file. So practically I'm showing you how you can create this one. So I've created a folder over here and I've created two files. First one is the index.css. This one is the HTML file and this one is the CSS file. Right now it is empty. So at first I want to open a creator. Just type so I'm using this editor. You can use any of one that you want, for example Sublime. So just open it. So this one is my basic HTML file and right now I'm creating an external CSS file. So just save it. So starting from this one, I have created a basic structure of HTML, and in that I have just mentioned the title HTML div. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create at first a simple div. So the command for div is like this one: starting tag with the ending tag. So this one is the starting tag and this one is the ending tag, and between them we can assign and create the values. For example, I am putting the class head, and in that I just put a heading. Let me check this one. So after doing this one, you can see that here is a prompt message that we are in div. So check this one by view source. You can use Ctrl+U for this page, and after that you can see here all the codes of HTML that we have written in the editor. So it's time to assign the value for this head. Actually this is your class. If you don't know what is class, so it is a basic CSS file, CSS part. In CSS part you can learn about the class and IDs. We can assign this type of value to a certain command or tag, and after that we can assign the property like coloring or anything that you want. So at first I'm going into the editor, and right now I'm creating the head. So we have the class head, so we are creating the CSS file for head. So I'm creating the head file, and in that I just assign some values. For example, let's save this one and refresh this page. So I just forgot to mention that we have after creating your external CSS file, you have to just link them with your HTML file. So right now I'm linking here. href. So let's check this one also again. So as you can see that after just linking your CSS file with your HTML, here is my div. So what is the purpose of using divs in the web pages? So div pages provide a container, or we can say a division of your pages. If you are having a very vast or very big website, then at that time you can create many divs and assign their values so that it would look better. So actually I'm creating 2 divs to show you and for the better understanding. So let's create another div from here. And I give them value new head. Copying all the codes from here. Let me check this one also. So as you can see that there are 2 divs, and we have created 2 divs right now. So first one is this one and the second one is this. So this is the basic purpose of div, and if you want to create or if you want to assign new values, you can create also them. You can give them height, width, etc. If you're understanding CSS, you can do all the properties with the help of CSS and with the help of HTML. So this is just a short video or short explanation about what are divs and how we can use that. Hope if you like it. So thank you.